Hey, I'm Matthias with Toast, and we've got another unboxing video for you. We have the brand new Note 10 Plus. Big shout out to Manon, who hooked us up with this. He was kind enough to send this right over to us, shipped it over to Toast so we can toast it. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at how the Note 10 Plus stacks up against previous models, get an idea how we're gonna toast this. Let's just jump right into it. So we've got a obvious big camera selfie right in the front glass. That's the most obvious thing that pops out to me. Oh wow, the shape on this thing is really different than previous ones. Flat, sharp corners here on the ends. The metal is really minimalized. Kind of bumps around the glass, back glass and stuff. And we've got our 3 lenses on the back and a couple flashes. I don't know what this extra one is, but we'll find out. So yeah, quite a departure for Samsung here with the design. These sharp corners make me a little nervous, but they're all covered in metal, which is nice. Our normal ports and speakers, and there's our little stylus guy. Interesting. So this is going to be quite a departure for us, having to toast this guy. Not really sure what we're going to do with this. It's going to be an interesting challenge. The metal's got like nice little curvatures and things to it. Normally it's sort of more integrated, and this is kind of stands out as nice little detailing and stuff. Buttons are still super skinny. Here we got our Sims. Looks like we got a big mic hole on the top here. Let's actually turn this guy on and see what the screen looks like. Nice contrast on the black there. You can't even see the screen lighting up. Let's see what these bezels look like. There we go.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up.
Okay, so you get some, decent sized bezels still, really sharp corners on the ends. Yeah, it feels like a new modern take, which is cool, a step forward. It really definitely has that complete glass look to it, which is pretty cool. Almost those futuristic movies of just a plane of glass people are holding. So we're gonna see what we can do to add some wood and protect it and give it a little bit of style and do our thing. Don't forget, if you like these videos, to like them and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next one.